I have a Kubota Z725 mower with 200 hours. The problem I'm having is when the blades are engaged, the motor starts cutting out like it's not getting gas. It runs fine without the blades on. I've replaced both inner and outer air filters, changed the oil and filter, fuel filter and spark plug. Do you have any advice? Thanks, Dale Barnett.
Hi, my name is Welcome to JustAnswer.com. I will be happy to assist you today. Give me a few moments to look over your problem, and I will get right back to you so we can fix the issue and get your machine back to working order. What engine is on this machine?
25 horsepower Kohler.
Sounds like you may have an issue with the valve clearance if it only happens when blades are engaged. Under load, do you have a set of feeler gauges to check the valve clearance? Do you know the model/spec of the engine? Should be on a sticker on the side of shroud. SV or CH or CV.
If it gets more than basic maintenance items or some of the safety features, I'll take it to the shop. Thanks for trying to help.
Okay. Let me know if you need anything else, as I'm here for you. Please remember to rate me as I strive to be the best. Ratings help me to achieve this. Let me know if I can assist you further. Please remember to rate me as I strive to do my best, and your ratings help me to achieve this.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.